Okay, open a administrator CMD and look for the file which can deinstall Oracle in the installation folder. Here you can see the path, and I'm trying to copy the path from the Explorer and paste it into command prompt. I will adjust the font size, just wait. Okay, now we will press enter and it will take time depending on your configuration. Then it will ask you for some questions like where is the listener. It is automatically selected the listener, then it is automatically selected the database ORCL. Now it is asking, do you want to change anything? If you want, you can configure it, otherwise you can go with it. I am showing you the details. Okay, it is asking for single instance database and mine is single instance, so I will go with 1. Then the path of the data files, then the file system, and path of the data files which are located on your system need to be mentioned here. Oracle is automatically giving me a existing path. Recovery area, fast recovery area, then SP file location, then archive log is enabled or not, and then you can continue. Simply follow the on-screen instruction basically. Then it will take few minutes and your process will start. And all the instructions are visible on the screen, like currently it is stopping the listener. After the installation, uninstallation or deinstallation is completely done, you can remove the folders where Oracle is installed later on, and also the services which are left over, if any. We will see that at the end. Okay, so installation is completed, deinstallation. Now it is saying that go and check the folders where the leftovers are there, if any, and manually need to delete them. So let's check out C drive where our Oracle was installed. C Oracle DB, and we will check whether there are certain files left over which are not there except for the setup. And if you don't want the setup, you can completely delete this folder. You can shift delete it simply. So we are deleting the folder which is having Oracle setup. Now we will go and check the services by running services.msc command and look for any leftover Oracle services which are there. We can remove them as well using a command prompt command, using a Windows command. So we will first look for the service name and copy the service name from here by going into the property of this service name. If there are more than one service left over, you can copy those as well. And go to admin command prompt, sc delete, and paste the service name and just press enter, and that's it. Your installation is successful. You can refresh and see the service is gone, uninstalled. You have uninstalled Oracle. Thank you.